everybody, it's Kia here. Welcome to Chronicles of Kia. Today we're going to be unboxing our first BOXYcharm. Yay! I know, it's better late than never. It's the end of the month, but I'm getting it to you. Hopefully they get me my next box on time. This one took forever, but I definitely was excited to try this. BOXYcharm is a monthly beauty subscription that costs about $21 a month, roughly $23 when you include tax, but it's $21 a month subscription, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products that range. Altogether, this box should be no less than $100, so let's unbox. So when you first open the box, it comes with a pamphlet, and then it has the products, and then it has like the styrofoam to keep the products from actually breaking during shipment. So on this pamphlet, for the month of February, which I'm not sure if you guys can see what that says, it says Afterglow. So this month, it just lists on the back, it tells you the products that you're getting and how much they're cost. So let's get started and get into the products. As I go through the products, I will read what they are, the size that they are, and how much it is. The first product that I'm going to pull out is called Clean Bee Farmacy, which is this. It says Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. It says soothe and hydrate your skin while lifting dirt, excess oil, impurities, grime, and makeup. Your new Farmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser was made for daily use. Keep those with sensitive skin in mind. It is formulated with natural derived ingredients like coconut, sugar, amino acids, and powerful botanical blend of turmeric, chamomile, calendula, aloe, and licorice root. Sounds good. Sounds good. This product, you get 100 ml, 3.4 ounces, and this will run you $22. So right there off the bat, you've already spent your $21. And you got one product versus the 5 in this box. Come on now, you guys should join. But anyway, so that's that. The next product that came in this, which I actually wanted to try for a while, I had it on my list to pick up this year, is the Touch and Soul No Poreblem Primer. It's a soothe and pore covering top secret for perfect makeup. And this is what it is. And it says the Touch and Soul No Problem Primer creates a seamless canvas for your foundation with your new Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. The lightly silky toucher blurs pores and wrinkles, giving your skin a soft velvet feel. Green tea and collagen act as adhesives, holding on tight to your makeup for many hours for flawlessness. So in this bottle, you will receive 30 ml, 1.01 ounces, and this will run you $18. So I'm going to put this on my hand because I actually want to see how it feels. So I put just a little dot. It feels really good. It's lightweight. It's not greasy. I actually like the way this feels. I don't know if you can see. You can't really tell anything, but I'm definitely going to try this out and have to come back to you with my review on it. But I think I like that. I like that a lot. So next in here is what is this? The Trestique. It looks like a lip pencil. It's actually a priming glazed lip crayon. It says this 2-in-1 lip duo features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths your lips and glides on like a balm, creating a super smooth canvas. The color glaze effortlessly glides onto your lips to leave behind a pop of soft, shiny color. So let's see. It says primer inside. Oh, here's the primer. Let's see what that feels like. It doesn't have a smell, but it feels good. And this is the lipstick on this side. This is how much product you get in it. It says you would get 0.028 ounces, 0.8 grams, and this will run you $25 just for this lipstick. So I want to see what this color looks like on me. Ooh, I like that. It has a magnetic top. I like that. This is what the color looks like. I like the color, but it probably wouldn't do much on my skin tone. I would probably use it in the middle of my lips with like a darker, maybe like a vampy purple for like a fall look. I would definitely use that on the right in the middle areas of my mouth. Next, they have the TooFaced Better Than Sex mascara. Now, believe it or not, I've never tried this mascara. I've heard so many good things about it. I don't know why I never thought to get it. And I guess because I have my drugstore mascaras that I ride or die for. I have not changed them in a very long time. Like a very, very, very long time. Like I do the same regimen every day. I wear makeup even without makeup, and I just go with the clean face I always have on mascara. This is, this is what I use. My regimen is what I use, but I definitely want to give this a try because I've heard nothing but good things about it. It says the TooFaced Better Than Sex mascara. It says indulge in a mascara that actually lives up to its name. TooFaced Better Than Sex mascara separates, coats, and curls each lash to voluptuous perfection. Acacia Senegal tea tree extract sets volume while film forming polymers lock your lashes into a perfect curl. Not bad. And in this you get 8 ml, which is 0.27 ounces, and this will run you $24. And this is what, I shouldn't have opened it, but I did. This is what the brush looks like. It's actually bigger than I normally would use, but I'm definitely going to give it a try. But let's close it. We don't want that to dry out. So that's the mascara. Lastly in the box is Pretty Vulgar. I guess this is a highlighter. This is what it looks like right here. Let me go ahead and open it. And this is what the highlighter looks like. So for the Pretty Vulgar, it says Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Highlighter. Allow your skin to capture the light of any room you walk into with this unique velvety smooth highlighter infused with glow-loving, light-reflecting, and pearlescent pigments. This highlighter will give your skin the perfect amount of brightness. This is about 6 grams, 0.2 ounces, and this will run you $32. So let me swatch that on my hand. This is what it looks like. I know you guys can see this is what it looks like right here. And I'm going to swatch this. Oh. And this is what it looks like. That's actually pretty good. I like that. I might have to try that. So I'm definitely going to give this a try. I like this. So let's add up the box and let's see how much you're actually spending. So for $21, these are the 5 products that I've got, which are full-size products. Now I want to see how much it adds up to. So let's add it together. So 24, 32, 18, 22, 25. So this month's box, you pay $21 a month. This will run you $121 for the 5 products. Just buying the 5 products by itself alone, you will spend $121. I think this is perfect. I'm excited to get my next box. I wish I would have started this sooner. I finally got it. I got this box probably last week sometime, and I should have came on here and did it, but of course, you know, as black folks, things happen. But I definitely will be coming to you as soon as I get the boxes so that I can get them to you from in the beginning of the month, so that I can try the stuff out during the month and then come back with my review of how I like it. Maybe what I might do in the future is when I open up my next box, I'll go over what I got in the last month's box, just to tell you if I liked it, how I applied it, and things like that, just to give you my overview of those products, and then we'll go into the new month's box. Again, I'm glad that you tuned in today. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, make sure you thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share the video, and come back. But make sure you comment so that we can chat. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.